Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Archana. I am a practicing obstetrician and gynecologist from Mysore. I'm doing the Fellowship in Reproductive Medicine course from Medline Academics. So in the beginning we had 10 months of online classes which were live. After that I came for simulation training where we learned the art of oocyte pickup as well as many of the practical things that we do like hysteroscopy, embryo transfer and intrauterine insemination. I then did my clinical attachment from Dr. Kamini Rao Hospitals in Kumara Park, and I must say it has been a very enriching experience. And the cases are a wide variety of cases, right from fresh cases that have come for their first infertility workup, right up to cases where they have undergone several cycles of IVF and they failed. So we get to see how we should approach a case which is new, as well as see cases in which they've tried out whatever they can think of and how we can do things differently. Apart from that, present cases to Dr. Shantala ma'am and she discusses cases. In case we have any doubts with the theory, we can discuss that with her, which I found to be very helpful. We go to the OT and we get to see all the procedures live. There is a very good load of cases. We witnessed embryo transfers, frozen embryo transfers under sedation and without sedation, intrauterine inseminations, several oocyte pickups, and definitely seeing the procedure being done live is very different from what we would have imagined it to be, and definitely it was helpful. Endoscopic surgeries are also performed over here. We discuss the cases with Anu ma'am and then we see how she counsels the cases. We also observed a lot of ultrasounds that were being performed, so we see in real time how we can do an AFC, how we can do a Sono AVC, and Doppler to see how the endometrium is. Definitely it was very different and useful experience for me. Cases with multiple fibroids, cases with endometriosis, with recurrent implantation failure, previous multiple failed IVFs, and how to approach cases with severe male factor infertility. Also a lot of antenatal cases, so even things that we think we may know, we may see how another person approaches it from a fertility point of view. Dr. Kamini ma'am, we also saw how she deals with cases and we had the pleasure of being in her OPD as well. So I'm very thankful to Kamini Rao Hospitals and Medline Academics, and I thank everybody.